U.S. Attorney General calls no evidence of fraud in the presidential election. Attorney General William Barr denied allegations of widespread fraud in the United States presidential election to overturn Joe Biden's victory over Donald Trump. To date, we haven't seen fraud on a scale that could affect the outcome of a different election, Barr said in an interview with the Associated Press. Barr's statement was delivered to confirm the results of an investigation by the Ministry of Homeland Security, U.S. intelligence and independent poll observers. In their finding, they concluded that the 2020 election was categorized as the safest in U.S. history. There is one statement that would be systemic fraud, and it would be a claim that the machines were basically programmed to deflect the election results, Barr said. The Ministry of Homeland Security, DHS, and the Ministry of Justice have looked into it, and so far, we haven't seen anything backing it. There is fraud. In his latest tweet, Tuesday, 1/12, Trump highlighted the testimony offered by the public audience regarding the election in Michigan won by Biden. People are coming to testify like never before. Big trucks carrying hundreds of fake ballots, fake to the polling center. Terrible, save America, Trump wrote in his tweet. Trump and his team of lawyers are still pursuing lawsuits for election results in several key states. Judges in several states, including Pennsylvania, have rejected Trump's lawsuits seeking to overturn millions of votes. The official vote tally saw Biden pocket 6.2 million votes, far more than Trump. Meanwhile, the electoral vote count recorded Biden getting 306 votes, far above the number needed to win the presidency of 270 votes. U.S. President Donald Trump has said he will never give up on claims of ballot fraud in the presidential election aimed at Joe Biden's camp. This was revealed by Trump in an interview with Fox News on Sunday, 29/11. It's not that you will change your mind. My thinking will not change in 6 months. This election is fraudulent. This election is total fraud. We won the election easily, Trump told Fox News' Maria Bartiromo, reiterating his claim. This will be Trump's first television interview moment since the election on November 3rd. Most of the interviews were filled with monologues from Trump's claims made without evidence of election fraud. Despite Trump's unprecedented attacks on the validity of the U.S. presidential system, his legal team has also not provided any evidence that can be brought to trial. According to AFP, case after case filed by Trump's legal team was rejected by judges across the country. The latest rejection comes from the Pennsylvania Supreme Court over a lawsuit filed by Trump's supporters over Biden's victory there. We are trying to enter evidence and the judge will not allow us to do it. We are trying. We don't have much evidence, Trump said. Trump also complained that the Department of Justice and the Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, were not helping him. He also questioned the MA.